Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Meta verified option not showing on Instagram. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Instagram. And you need to update your Instagram application by clicking on this update button. So once you've done that, you simply need to go back and open your smartphone settings and go into the app management and click on app list, and here you need to search for the Instagram. Click on that and click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and after that you need to restart your smartphone and log in into your Instagram account and click on your profile picture in the right bottom and click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy and click on account center, and here you can see Meta verified option is now showing. But let's suppose still you are not able to see this option, so you simply need to go back and open browser and search for Meta verified available countries. Okay, so here you can see the list of countries that have Meta verified available now. If your country is not available, so you need to wait for few days or months, because Facebook, or you can say that Meta, is rolling out this feature in other countries soon. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.